Are you planning your dream bathroom? Does your bathroom layout need renovating or you want to freshen it up with contemporary and trending details? Well, this video is perfect for you. Hi guys, welcome back to Designers. I'm glad to have you here. Today's video is about the latest trends and ideas for bathrooms. I want to share with you the most trending and latest news that I recently saw on my visit to the most important interior design fair. If it's your first time here and you love design, don't forget to subscribe to join our design community. I also want to remind you to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my next videos because they will be very interesting. Months ago, I shared the highlights of my visit to Milan Design Week. When it comes to design, Milan is the most popular city. It was my second time visiting this fair. My first time was years ago when I was studying design in Milan, and each edition definitely gets better and more original. Now, I want to talk about what I saw there, which are the best elements for a contemporary and stylish bathroom. I will give you some ideas on how to incorporate it into your home. As always, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I read each and every comment. Each of you is very important to me. I know that you have many doubts, and that is why I try to answer all the comments that I can. So let's do it. Interior design, like any art or fashion, is a reflection of our present and is evolving constantly. You can evolve with the trends, but you need to be smart on how to select it. Always choose pieces that you really like and serve you the most, not just because they're trending. I will share with you some of the most important trends and ideas for bathroom designs that I think are very contemporary and stylish, but still timeless. That means that they have been here for a long time, but are now modern time favorites. The trend number one, I think the most important element present in any showroom was a round mirror. I don't remember seeing a rectangular mirror anywhere. Everything was round mirrors and curvaceous lines. Everywhere, in different styles, with frame, without frame, with gold or other detail and finishes. Visually, I really love round mirrors because they help break up the rigidity of the space. They are perfect because they're unconventional, yet timeless. A round mirror will act as an unexpected element that will add interest to your space, but its simple and classic shape will last for a long time. I always say, a good object goes beyond the aesthetic aspects, and adding a round mirror is visually a great option. Adding round elements to your space will calm the mind and create a serene atmosphere. Round mirrors are versatile while universally aesthetic. I think you can go wrong with round mirrors. The second trend is all about matte finishes. Just as I show you in my kitchen design trends videos, matte finishes are a favorite for both kitchens and bathrooms, from wash basin and fixtures to tile. Personally, I love matte finishes. I see them as very elegant and contemporary. Choosing matte finishes for your bathroom is a personal choice. Both matte and glossy are beautiful and each one has its pros and cons. But nowadays, matte finishes are a general favorite, and that's why we'll be discussing today. For tiles, the pros are that they have better grip, because matte surfaces have better traction than gloss, so there's the obvious choice for flooring. Also, matte finishes are perfect for people that want to create a natural or rustic look. There's a huge variety: cement, stone, or wood effect. tiles on the market in matte finishes which exude that warm, natural, homely look. Their clean, natural appearance will add a touch of authenticity and modernity to any home. For people that love dark color palettes, black matte is a must-have. For bathroom, I recommend being very careful with dark colors. It's better to use it in little amounts or for a specific element or wall, not for the entire bathroom. I prefer using black as a bathroom accent. It can totally change the look of your space. Adding a matte black faucet or vanity can be equally alluring. Trend number 3, wall bathroom fixtures. The bathroom fixtures aren't only a functional element anymore. They're now wall and stylish artistic piece. This kind of accessory adds character to any bathroom. If it's time to change your fixture at home, in your personal or powder bathroom, it's a perfect moment to add a chic element into your space. It's easy to change, and you can make a big difference. Remember, details are no details. They make the design. Let's try some combinations. If you have an all-white bathroom, try to incorporate black fixtures to create high contrast and accentuate those elements. If you have a wooden and concrete tiles combo, you can add golden matte fixtures and details to make it rustic, contemporary, and chic at the same time. Just think outside the box, because bathrooms are not boring anymore. Trend number 4, invisible shower walls. Invisible shower walls made with glass screens appear to visually increase the size of your bathroom, while also giving it more space and providing convenience. They are also more secure for users because slippery bathtubs won't be a problem anymore. While some may find this design has a lack of privacy, others enjoy the accessible openness and increased shower space. This trend is a very good idea for small bathrooms because the bathroom looks bigger, brighter, more open, cleaner, and contemporary. Trend number 5, wall-hung vanity units. Wall-hung units are brilliant because they provide a stylish storage solution for your bathroom, while also saving space because they don't take up any floor area. For years, they've been very popular. You will definitely find a lot of options in the market that fits in with your style. The favorite textures and colors for this year are matte finishes, in dark and light colors, wooden texture, and marble patterns. Which one is your favorite trend? Will you use it in your personal bathroom? If you are planning to renovate your bathroom soon, what do you have in mind? Let me know in the comment section. I want to say thank you for all the support. Your comments and interactions let me know that my content is helpful for you. So if you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe to follow my channel. Remember to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and to get in touch. Have a super nice week. See you next time.